How to create animating numbers counting up in After Effects. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here's how we are going to get this done. In your composition, you're going to right click, click new, and then we're going to choose color. Now, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and try to select this light color here, just like so. Click OK. Now, from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and click this text tool here. We're going to go ahead and type here just 0, just like so. Click the selection tools for us to be able to scale this up. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put it here in the centers for us to better see. Next, we're going to go ahead and look for the slider control. Now, there you go. You can go ahead and drag this into your text. Now, click this, click text. Now, for the source, go ahead and click Alt and then click this one. Now, you should see something like this, but don't worry. We can go ahead and click the effects, slider control. Now, we're going to drag this one into our sliders. So just go ahead and do this one. There you go. Now, you should see something like this. Next, we're going to go ahead and try to put this one here, math.round, and then you can go ahead and add this one right here. So just go ahead and try to copy this one, after which go ahead and click the enter and you should see that one. Next, here in the slider, we're going to go ahead and create a keyframe, and then we can go ahead and move, say for example, about that, and you can go ahead and increase number here as much as you want. So we can go ahead and play this. And that is how to create animating numbers counting up in After Effects.